Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ferox Rant. Today we bring you a shocking update from the world of American television and politics. Jimmy Kimmel's famous late night talk show Jimmy Kimmel Live has been pulled off the air by ABC after his controversial remarks on the assassination of Charlie Kirk. Stay with us as we break down this explosive story in detail. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share and drop your thoughts in the comments below for more detailed coverage. Jimmy Kimmel's popular late night talk show has been taken off the air. This major decision came after a controversy erupted over comments he made regarding the shocking assassination of conservative activist Charlie Kirk. On Wednesday, September 17, ABC, the network owned by Walt Disney, officially confirmed that Jimmy Kimmel Live has been suspended indefinitely. This suspension came right after the head of the Federal Communications Commission, Chair Brendan Carr, strongly condemned the remarks made by the Emmy-winning comedian. The controversy started on September 15 when Kimmel, during his show's opening monologue, addressed the murder of Charlie Kirk. He criticized supporters of President Donald Trump, saying they were desperately trying to characterize Taylor Robinson, the 22-year-old accused of killing Kirk, as anything other than one of them. This was not the first time Kimmel touched the subject. Just a week earlier, he had also criticized Trump for claiming that Democrats were responsible for Kirk's killing, which took place on September 10 at a Utah campus. On his September 15 episode, Kimmel went even further. He said, "We hit some new lows over the weekend with the MAGA gang desperately trying to characterize this kid who murdered Charlie Kirk as anything other than one of them and doing everything they can to score political points from it. In between all the finger pointing, there was grieving on Friday. The White House flew the flags at half-staff. That decision got some criticism, but on a human level, you can see how hard the president is taking this. Yes, he's at the fourth stage of grief construction, demolition, construction. This is not how an adult grieves the murder of someone he called a friend. This is how a 4-year-old mourns a goldfish, and it didn't just happen once. These remarks sparked huge backlash. The FCC chair openly criticized Kimmel's words, calling them inappropriate and insensitive. Soon after, ABC decided to suspend his show until further notice, a move that immediately turned into a political talking point. On September 17, President Donald Trump himself celebrated the suspension on his social media platform Truth Social. He wrote, "Congratulations to ABC for finally having courage to do what had to be done. Kimmel has zero talent and worse ratings than even Stephen Colbert." Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit on bell icon.